everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. On today's show, I'm going to show you one of my special breakfasts. Every once in a while I make this. So my trick is to take a pan, get it heated up, and let's get some oil in the middle. It'll start to shimmer in a minute. Then what I like to do is either use some bacon bits, which you can just sprinkle some bacon bits, or you could actually take some bacon if you've cooked some up and have it in a Ziploc bag or something in the refrigerator. Just grab some scissors, and I clean my scissors with bleach, just soap and water and a squirt bottle. Keep them clean. So I put them all nice and neat in this little area right here in the center, just like that. Then next, let's take some tomatoes. And tomatoes are one of the best things in the morning. They just have a really good taste. And I just use scissors and I cut up the tomatoes and I have them falling right in the center in that little spot. And in this case here, I'm going to use 2, depending on the size of your tomatoes. And you know, this is a universal, worldwide breakfast. People make this all over the world. And there's other things you could add too if you want. You could add to your mix cinnamon or vanilla. It'll just change it up a little bit. So I have my egg, and I'm going to give my egg a good whack, crack it just like that, and it's nice. I can see there's no shells. Just going to give it a little bit of a stirring with my fork, just like that. Looks good. And how about some salt and pepper? Now you can also put more meat in here too, if you want. You could put some ham in here. You could put some sausage. Sometimes when I do this, I use these breakfast brown and serve. Throw them in the microwave to thaw them. Probably just one. And then put it on top like that by cutting it up. Sometimes I use these. These are everybody's favorites, the tater tots. Now another thing you can do is you can hit your refrigerator, and if you saved in the past cooking some spinach, which I intentionally did, you can stir up some of your spinach and put some spinach right in the center, just like that. Now we have tomatoes and we have spinach. That's going to be delicious. Now, pour my egg nice and slow. It helps if you've leveled your stove. Just grab your spatula and pull your egg back. Some people have the metal rings that they'll drop this in and then put your egg in. I was thinking one day about maybe I should buy some. I thought, I don't know if I would use them or not, but I've seen them. People use them. So it stays put after you get it going, but you just have to keep pulling it back for a little bit, which is fine because you want to make like a fried patty here in the middle. I'm making it big enough that I could share it with Barb. we already ate our breakfast. I made us a nice egg bacon type meal out of a Jimmy John's loaf of bread. You can find that in my directory. This is almost done, just a minute. This will be done. So this is a good time to tell you, if you like what you see here, hit the subscribe button. I also want to ask if you like eggs. If you like eggs, hit the like button. I want to see how many people like eggs. Hit the like button now. Also, don't forget, when you subscribe, you will see the more button, and then you'll see the list of ingredients and some instructions. Or you can also go to my website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. Well, this is about done, so let's grab a dish. Look at that. Wow! How about that, huh? And I like to keep with my history of not putting things in the center. I'm very, very good at off-centering things. Well, folks, that's my show for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye for now.